I'm Shay Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me today is the Managing Director of Iltani Resources, Donald Garner. Donald, good to see you again. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Shane. Good to see you as well.
Now, I'm thrilled to have you back on because I always love to talk about the ongoing progress at the Herberton Project. And I believe you've just announced some good news for a particular prospect in there called Orient West. Can you talk me through what Friday's announcement was?
Yeah, look, we announced the exploration target for Orient West. This has been the culmination of 12 months' work. So the global exploration target was 70 to 100 million tonnes at 55 to 65 grams silver equivalent. And this was inclusive of a high-grade core of 20 to 24 million tonnes at 110 to 120 grams silver equivalent. And the exploration target is the first step on the pathway towards a JORC resource and ultimately JORC reserve. So exploration target, resource, reserve. So we're on the way, and we hope that the exploration target serves as basically a signpost to show investors the direction we are travelling in and our ultimate destination.
You've mentioned some silver equivalent numbers there. Tell me, is there any sort of similar deposit or ore body in Australia that investors can refer to give you an idea of what you're working on at Orient West?
That's a good question. The premier silver company in Australia is probably Silver Mines. Their ticker is SVL, and they have the Bowdens Project in New South Wales. Bowdens has a resource of 200 million tonnes at 60 grams silver equivalent and an ore reserve of 30 million tonnes at 100 grams silver equivalent. We believe that Orient West plus Orient East can be of similar tonnage and similar grade, or better tonnage and grade than the Bowdens deposit. That's what we hope. And with our exploration target for Orient West being 20 to 24 million tonnes at 110 to 120 silver equivalent, you can see there's definitely the potential there to match the ore reserve at Bowdens. You know, we've currently got market cap of roughly 10 million. They've got market cap of 240, 250 million. So there's a really strong story in terms of value uplift for our shareholders if we can deliver something that's equivalent or better than Bowdens.
Now, let's, for lack of a better way of putting it, drill into some of the numbers. I noticed in your update on Friday, you talked about total meters drilled and total core holes drilled. Can you give everybody just sort of a brief recap of what the recent exploration program looked like to get here?
Look, for Orient West, we've completed since we listed in June 2023 at Orient West, we've completed 22 RC holes for 4,400 meters drilled. So that's based. That went into the exploration target. We engaged Mining One and an independent mining consultancy to generate the exploration target for us. So they took the drilling results, they've turned that into a block model, and they've used the block model to estimate the exploration target. Our plan now is to, working with Mining One, we will design the next phase of drilling, infill the exploration target, and we will turn the exploration target into a JORC resource. And the plan is to start the drilling probably August, September, then deliver the maiden resource for Orient West by the end of 2024.
All right. So you've just talked about infill drilling and working towards a maiden resource and starting in September. Tell me, what does that infill drilling program look like? Have you built it out yet?
Our exploration manager, Eric, is currently finalising the design for the program. It's likely to be a phased program, probably talking about 40 to 60 holes at Orient West, mostly RC, some diamond holes to provide us information on the specific gravity of the mineralization at Orient West. Plus, that will also enable us to do some metallurgical test work to update the historical metallurgical test work for Orient West. So that will really start to give us a better idea of where we are going. We're working with a number of environmental consultancies to start the environmental baseline studies for Orient West in preparation for our mining lease application. So yeah, we're confident that there's definitely something viable at Orient West. We're starting to move everything forward.
Listen, it sounds like there's exciting times ahead for the Orient West project. And listen, this has been a great story to watch unfold since the IPO last year. Listen, Donald, thank you so much for being here. And you better believe that I look forward to what's going to happen with this infill program come September. Thanks for joining me today.
Yeah, look, no worries. And look, let's plan on going up to site so you can see the size and scale of the project for yourself when we're drilling. Be great to have you up there.
That sounds fantastic, and I can't wait to get to my boots dirty.
And hard hat. Thank you.